Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Today I've got my man Britton's Fridge 60, okay? Now, not only did he get this Fridge 60, he got another Fridge 60, identical. Okay, he's got two houses. He wants to be able, no matter what house he's at, he wants to have a badass TMG pit there with him. So he's got that. He's got another rig we've been working on for a while. She's a monster. All right, so y'all stay tuned for that. You'll know it when you see it. But right now we got Britton's Fridge 60. Okay, now this is about as loaded as a Fridge 60 can get. We got a 6-gallon Cajun fryer up front here, double basket, powered by propane, of course. Off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. Stainless steel front shelf here. Open up this big old fridge. 3 sliding trays, of course, guys. The Fridge 60 with the hot box is almost the same capacity as a 1,000-gallon pit. So a lot of cook room in this unit here. It is a reverse flow smoker, so we got removable reverse flow plates across the bottom. Those direct the heat and smoke all the way across the bottom and then back out of the stack. Come around here to the hot box. Now on the Fridge 60, you get a extra large hot box, so still got 5 sliding trays in here. Over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box alone. The thing we really love about the hot box, guys, it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. We run at 2 different temperatures at once, smoke in it, grill in it, warm in it, get direct fire in it. I mean, the list just keeps going on and on. Now we did upgrade him to the insulated firebox. Got his fire management cradle in there, D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Walk around to the back side here, and we have got that big boy rear folding shelf on the Fridge 60, guys. It's a great option to add. Sit down on it, take a break, fold it back up when you're done with it. Look at that, it's like it wasn't even there. So guys, that's Britton's Fridge 60 heading down to Texas. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.